uninterrupted power for mining areas. Dingbo Power 800 kilowatts Wechai Generator, your solution. Long-term load design. Wechai V1 to engine plus Stamford Alternator. Oversized fuel filter and high precision oil filter. Adapted to mining oil conditions. Reducing oil-related shutdowns. Flexible and reliable. Small footprint, easy mobility. High reliability. Fits continuous mining operations and fluctuating working conditions. Stable 800 kilowatts output. Powers key loads like large drills, crushers, underground ventilation, drainage, lighting, and monitoring.